Good morning, students. First of all, I would like to congratulate you that you are coming or no, you have come in 12th standard. My dear student, this is the first video for the subject entrepreneurship which I am going to give you. First, I am going to give you the introduction of entrepreneurship for class 12. I cannot tell you that today I am very happy because you have come in 12th standard, the next step of your life, of your success. And in the future, you will have a number of steps for the success. And I hope that God bless you and you become a best entrepreneur in the world. My dear students, in 12th standard entrepreneurship, there are 6 chapters only. 6 chapters. Here I am going to give you the introduction of all these 6 chapters in such a way that you may have some confidence in you. And you may feel that these are not new for you. You are familiar with these chapters. First, entrepreneurial opportunity. You know the meaning of entrepreneur: new, creative, innovative, risk, etc. Opportunity. Here we are talking about the economic opportunity, a chance to do something which can give us profit, which can increase our earning. Next, entrepreneurial planning. Planning. In business studies, you have learned also. Planning, think in advance. In advance. What to do, objective, how to do, policies and when to do. एडवांस में डिसाइड करना कि क्या करेंगे, कैसे करेंगे, कब करेंगे. This similar you have learned at least 70% already. You are familiar. You are familiar already. Up to 70%. Planning कि हम क्या करेंगे. In which form of business organization we will learn our business. किस form of business organization में हम अपना business run करेंगे. Form of business organization: sole proprietorship, partnership, cooperative societies, Hindu undivided family business, joint stock company, private company, public company. And all these forms of business organizations you will learn in detail. And the legal requirements to be fulfilled to run the business you will learn in this chapter. And about the resources, from where you will arrange your resources. The next is enterprise marketing. My dear students, little bit I have taught this topic in 11th standard entrepreneurship. Now in 12th also, in business studies also, you will learn in 12th. Marketing कि क्या बनाना है, व्हाट इज टू बी प्रोड्यूस्ड. मार्केटिंग चैप्टर आपका बिजनेस स्टडीज में हो गया है, तो उम्मीद करता हूं बेटा ये आपको बहुत अच्छे से समझ में आएगा. मार्केटिंग आपको क्या बनाना है, व्हाट इज टू बी प्रोड्यूस्ड. व्हाट इज टू बी प्रोड्यूस्ड अकॉर्डिंग टू द नीड्स, डिमांड, वांट्स एक्सेट्रा ऑफ द कस्टमर्स. कैसे एडवर्टीजमेंट करना है, पर्सनल सेलिंग कैसे करनी है, पब्लिसिटी कैसे करनी है, ह्यूमन रिसोर्स है आपका, उससे कैसे काम लेना है, पब्लिक के साथ अच्छी रिलेशनशिप कैसे रखनी है, लोगो क्या है, टैगलाइन क्या है, लोगो, टैगलाइन, ब्रांड मार्क, ब्रांड नेम, उनकी अच्छी कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स क्या है अच्छी गुड ब्रांड की, ये सब आप इसमें पढ़ने वाले हैं. नेक्स्ट, एंटरप्राइज ग्रोथ स्ट्रेटजीज. ग्रोथ, हाउ यू विल एक्सपेंड योर बिजनेस, एक्सपेंड करना, ये बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग चैप्टर है। एक्सपेंड फ्रेंचाइज के थ्रू, अमलगेमेशन कि किसी कंपनी के साथ मिलना, फ्रेंचाइज पढ़ेंगे आप इसमें कि अपने बिजनेस को ग्रोथ कैसे करना है। आपने 11th में पढ़ा था इंटरनल ग्रोथ, एक्सटर्नल ग्रोथ। ये एक्सटर्नल है, फ्रेंचाइज देना, अमलगेमेशन करना, किसी कंपनी को टेक ओवर करना, तो आपका बिजनेस बढ़ जाता है। मैंने उसकी कंपनी खरीद ली है। नेक्स्ट, बिजनेस अरिथमेटिक। In this chapter you are going to learn some numericals like break even point, which you have already learned in 11th standard, BEP, business arithmetic. In this chapter you are going to learn break even point, economic order quantity, some ratio which you will learn in 12th accountancy also. Ratios like return on investment. What is the return on investment? What is the return on equity? Next is resource mobilization. My dear students, resource we can say material resource, financial resource and human resource. A number of resources are there. Mobilization means arranging. But in this chapter we are talking about the resources, means only financial resources. Only financial resources. This you have learned in 11th standard also. Plus now you will learn in 12th. Business studies. Resource mobilization. Financial resources in 11th business studies you have learned, as well as in 12th business studies you are going to learn. Resources. First, in 12th I am going to tell you debentures, equity shares, preference shares, loan from bank or loan from any financial institution. These institutions are the specialized financial institutions. Specialized. Recall the chapter of business studies. NABARD, Spurti, Vasme, IDBI, SIDBI, ICICI. These are the financial institutions. Now you will learn in detail in entrepreneurship. As well as in 12th, you are also going to learn these topics in 12th business studies. That what is equity shares, preference shares, debentures, and why do you prefer equity shares, and in what cases, why someone prefer preference shares, in what cases. My dear student, this is all about the syllabus of your 12th standard entrepreneurship. I hope now you are having some confidence in you that you will secure more and more marks in 12th standard board examination. I hope not less than 95 you will secure, because you are familiar all these topics. In detail I taught you in 11th standard, and in again in my next video I will teach you all the chapters topic wise in detail. A number of examples I will give you. Thank you.